Hello and welcome to this new video on how to Airbnb a room in your house. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the interface of Airbnb, and when you are inside the interface of the Airbnb, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There is switch to hosting button. You just have to click on switch to hosting, and when you are in the switch to hosting dashboard or home page, you just have to look on the top navigation bar. There is a listing, so you just have to click on the listings, and when you're inside the listings, you just have to look on the right hand side. There is a plus sign, just click on the plus sign, and after that this page will be open right in front of you, and you just have to look on the bottom part and click on create a new listing. And when you're inside the create a new listing, you just have to look on the bottom right hand side and click on the get started button. Now you just need to describe about your place that you want to rent out, so you just have to click on the next button once more. So we are currently learning on how to rent a room in your house, so you just have to click on the house and click on the next button once more. And after that there are three different options, that is to rent an entire place, a room, or a shared room. So you just have to click on a room and just click on the next button, and after that you just have to enter your address. So you can just click on enter your address box and use your current location or enter the address of that particular house and follow through the processes provided by Airbnb, and you will be able to rent or Airbnb a room in your house. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.